The Slice 10513 manual pen cutter features a streamlined design that's convenient to carry and provides accuracy and control during use. It features the Slice ceramic blade, a 3-position manual slider button, a lanyard hole, and an easy no-tool blade change. This box cutter features the Slice 10404 ceramic replacement blade, which is used in the majority of our products. All the Slice ceramic blades last up to 10 times longer than steel, they never rust, they're non-magnetic, non-sparking, and non-conductive. And unlike traditional metal blades, they have no oil coating. They're much safer to the touch compared to traditional metal blades due to our proprietary sharpening and manufacturing process. They're infinitely safer to hold and use versus metal, and they have a rounded tip for added safety. The Slice pen cutter was designed as a general cutting tool. Customers all over the world use it for many different applications, including removing flash from plastic parts, trimming metal components, cutting corrugated, plastic, or paper. Slice ceramic replacement blades are finger-friendly. They require pressure to obtain the cut. Therefore, blade change is no longer a risky activity. The pen cutter has a simple no-tool blade change. Simply twist and remove the top, extend the blade with a slider button, and flip it to the other side or replace it with a new blade. By using Slice ceramic blades instead of traditional metal blades, you'll have fewer blade changes, less downtime, lower costs, and most importantly, a safer working environment. The Slice 10513 manual pen cutter is used by more than half the Fortune 1000 to reduce injuries and lower costs. It's simply a better, safer, more effective way to cut, trim, and open. Shoot me an email